Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at SwitchEasy's Paperlike Screen Protector for the iPad. Before we begin, to purchase this item, check out the links in the description below. Right, let's dive in. If you've bought an iPad to draw on, then you might have been disappointed that there's no feedback from the screen or pencil. Well, that's where the Paperlike Screen Protector comes into play. This screen protector aims to, well, make your iPad feel like you're drawing on paper rather than glass. Let's install it and look at it in a little bit more detail. Firstly, you'll want to turn off the iPad. This will make it easier to clean as your screen won't come on and hide dirt or dust. Use the included wipes to remove any fingerprints or dirt from the screen. Then, wipe down with the included microfiber cloth, making sure you remove all moisture. Next, use the dust collector to pick up all dust from the screen. Take your time with this step, as one little bit of dust can ruin the install. Now, peel back tab 1 of the protector. You'll need to line up the protector with the top half of the iPad. Make sure you take your time and are precise with where the protector will sit. A small misalignment here will mean your protector will not sit on the iPad correctly. Once you are happy with the alignment, with the blue protective layer still on, push any bubbles of the protector towards the edge of the screen. Once you've removed all bubbles, you can remove the protective blue layer. And there you go. A clean installation of SwitchEasy's Paperlike Screen Protector. Now, when you touch the screen with your fingers, it feels a little different and a little bit more grippy. It actually feels quite nice in my opinion. The biggest change comes from when you use your stylus or Apple Pencil on it. Because of the texture, it feels a lot more like drawing on paper, and actually sounds quite a lot like it as well. It makes the whole experience a lot more realistic. For me, I've tried to take notes on the iPad lots of times, but it just never felt natural. But with this screen protector, it makes it a lot more natural. Although it is fair to say a pen and paper is also just as natural. But it doesn't stop there. The protector will also help stop sunlight glaring on the screen, as it now has a matte finish. So, to conclude, if you are someone who's had trouble taking notes on your iPad, or has just not been enjoying drawing on it, then this screen protector is a must. Plus, it will also stop your screen getting scratched. Thanks for watching this installation and review on the SwitchEasy Paperlike Screen Protector. If you want to pick one up, then check out the links in the description below. And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun.